So today we are helping the kiddos at Sheldon Head Start shop for a brand new coat, brand new pair of shoes, hats, and gloves so that they're ready for winter.
I just love this day. My reaction really to all of this is just, it shows love in action. This is not just helping students, but it's helping families. So we just thank Advisors Excel for pouring into our youngest learners, letting them know they're loved and they're cared for.
It's amazing. I mean, for the kids, we had one come in just this morning and said, it's like a store in there. And so it's just exciting for them to get to partner up with an advisors volunteer, get to go in and shop and pick out their own new items and leave with them on. So it's just an exciting, special day for them. And it's so impactful for our families.
When they get to come in here, they have control, the excitement, the freedom that they have. It's wonderful. It's a great thing to see. Being a family advocate, I work a lot with families. So if this is going to benefit in any way, shape, or form, just one less thing that a parent has to worry about, it's a very big blessing.
Did you pick out more than one coat today? How many coats do you have?
2.
Why?
There's 2 inside one jacket.
What do you think about that?
I got my new coat.
That's my girl.
We just want to thank Advisor Excel for this amazing day today. Oh my goodness, behind me we have students getting coats. Some of them are getting their first winter coat and socks and hats and shoes. And just to love on our students in such a special way is absolutely amazing. Thank you, Advisors Excel.
Thank you.